Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to convert text file into ASCII file. Sometime when you upload your data on XRD score, then if XRD score will not support it. Let me check here. You see this when I upload this file, you see that the file format not supported. It means that expert high score not support the text file txt file. So we will change the txt file into ASCII file. So now I am going to change. First you have to open this file and then go to the file and save it as, click on a save as, and you see this here the name is op1.txt. You will remove the txt and write ASCII and then click on save. So go to the folder, you see there's a new file generated which is ASCII file, and here it's not opening, but when we go to the expertise core and click it, and you see this file is supported by the expertise core. It's mean that expertise core only support the ASCII file. So this video is about how to convert text file into ASCII file. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.